Strawberry yogurt parfaits are a delicious and nutritious treat that anyone can whip up in no time. Start with a layer of creamy yogurt. Greek yogurt works wonders for that extra protein boost. Next, add a generous handful of fresh strawberries, sliced to release their sweet juices. For some crunch, sprinkle in granola, it adds texture and a satisfying bite. You can also drizzle a little honey for added sweetness or toss in some nuts for a protein punch. Repeat the layers until your glass is filled with vibrant colors. Not only is it visually stunning, but it's also a perfect breakfast or snack option that keeps you energized. Plus, it's customizable. Swap strawberries for your favorite berries or even add a layer of nut butter. Enjoy every spoonful of this delightful, guilt-free indulgence. Imagine biting into a warm, soft wrap filled with the creamy goodness of Nutella and the sweet, rich flavor of ripe bananas. It's a simple yet indulgent treat that's perfect for any time of day. Start with a tortilla or a flatbread, it's the perfect canvas. Spread a generous layer of Nutella, letting it melt slightly from the warmth of the wrap. Next, slice up a banana. Its natural sweetness complements the chocolatey spread beautifully. Roll it up tightly, and for an extra touch, you can grill it for a minute to get that crispy exterior. The contrast of textures is incredible. Each bite is a delightful mix of creamy, sweet, and just a hint of warmth. It's not just a snack, it's a little moment of joy that you can whip up in minutes. Perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a quick pick-me-up. Mango ice cream is a delightful treat, and making it instantly is a game changer. Start with 2 ripe mangoes, peel and chop. Today, I'm diving into the delicious world of no-bake Oreo cheesecake. First, crush about 24 Oreo cookies into fine crumbs. This will be the base of our cheesecake. Mix those crumbs with melted butter and press them into the bottom of a springform pan. Now, for the creamy filling. Beat together 16 ounces of cream cheese and a cup of powdered sugar until smooth. Fold in a cup of whipped cream for that light, airy texture. Don't forget to add crushed Oreos for that extra crunch. Pour this heavenly mixture over your crust and smooth it out. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can wait. Once set, top with more crushed Oreos and maybe a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Slice it up, serve, and watch everyone fall in love with this easy, no-bake treat. There's nothing quite like a warm, gooey chocolate mug cake to satisfy a sudden sweet craving. In just a few minutes, you can whip up this delightful treat using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix them in a microwave-safe mug. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir until smooth, making sure there are no lumps. Now, for the fun part, toss in a handful of chocolate chips for that extra melty goodness. Pop it in the microwave for about 40 to 60 seconds. Keep an eye on it, you want it to rise but not overflow. Once it's done, let it cool for a minute, and you'll have a rich, chocolatey cake ready to devour. Perfect for those late-night cravings or a quick dessert fix. Enjoy every bite of this deliciously easy mug cake.